wòlíì Ezekiel Ọdẹ́dọ̀yìn ti kìlọ̀ fún gbogbo àwọn tó ń lorúkọ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà pé kí wọ́n yéé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ bóyá àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run náà ti kú àbí wọ́n wà láàyè. Wòlíì yìí ní kò dáa o, kò dáa rárá, kò lórúkọ méjì tó ń jẹ́, kò dáa ló ń jẹ́ láti máa fi orúkọ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà. Bàbá yìí ní ìran ńlá tí Ọlọ́run fi hàn àwọn rèé o. Àtayébáyé náà láti mọ̀, la sì ti máa ń gbọ́ pé àwọn èèyàn máa ń fi orúkọ àwọn wòlíì Ọlọ́run ńlá, àwọn pásítọ̀ ńláńlá tó máa fi ń gbàdúrà. Àwọn kan pe Ọlọ́run Mósè Orímọládé, àwọn kan pe Ọlọ́run Oyedepo, àwọn kan pe Ọlọ́run Adeboye, bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn kan sì ń pe Ọlọ́run Oshoffa, àwọn Celestial. Kí ló máa wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ti ń forúkọ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ńláńlá gbàdúrà? Kí ni wòlíì Ezekiel Ọdẹ́dọ̀yìn ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn bí wọn ò bá dáwọ́ dúró? Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí wòlíì yìí sọ, ẹ gbọ́ wìrìwìrì ọ̀rọ̀ tó jáde. Welcome to CrossBlog X TV. Remember to like, share, and follow us.
Those who have been, if you have been using someone's name to pray, you can never up to that person's life. Go and look at it. If you have been using any other one to pray, any other, you use other name except the name of God, you can never up to that person's life. That's why many of those pastors cannot grow. They cannot grow. They cannot have power because they are adamant. Thank God for those people who have been saying when they listen to the information, when they listen to the instructions given to them by God. You can never up to that. You can never up to him. Let me give you a scenario. Go and look for it. Go and look all through. If those who have been praying, using their name to pray, if they enter hellfire, you are going to hellfire. According to that revelations, they have a link. If someone look for the power elsewhere and you are using their name to pray, you attach to that covenant. You are serving that demon. That's what don't do. If you are, let me take it for example. Have you ever seen those who are calling the name of Babalola up to him? Have you ever seen the prophets like Babalola in CAC? You can never see him. You can never see anyone like Babalola because they are calling his name. If you are calling his name, you can never up to him. That's an instruction. Have you ever seen those who are calling God of Oyedepo that will be greater than Oyedepo? They can never. Have you ever seen those who are calling the name of Oshoffa? Have you ever seen someone like Oshoffa? You can never, because you will limit under him. That is a deep revelation. You will be limit under him. This is a genuine revelation. I'm telling you. God has given you a name that is above every other name. See those who are calling in God of Orimolade, Moses Orimolade. Have you ever seen someone like him? If Orimolade going to hell, they are going to hell too. If you call the name of someone and such a person and then end up in hell, you are going to hell too. That's what you don't know. That's why Jesus Christ appeared to destroy the work of the devil. That's the name.
Ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn náà ni wọ́n máa ń jẹ́rìí nínú ìjọ Ọlọ́run pé àwọn forúkọ olórí ìjọ àwọn gbàdúrà, ìyanu sì ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìgbà míì à ní bí nǹkan ṣe fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, nǹkan burúkú tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sóhun wípé bóun ṣe forúkọ olórí ìjọ òun gbàdúrà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìyanu ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló sì gbàgbọ́ pé gbígbàdúrà pẹ̀lú orúkọ àwọn èèyàn máa ń mú ìyanu wá, pàápàá tí ẹni tí wọ́n forúkọ ẹ̀ gbàdúrà bá jẹ́ ẹni tí Ọlọ́run pè ní tòótọ́, tó jẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, tọ́lọ́run yàn tó ṣe lógo, tó ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀ débi èrè. Ṣùgbọ́n kò sí orúkọ tó dàbí orúkọ Jésù, gẹ́gẹ́ bí wòlíì yìí ti sọnù fọ́nrán. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Pàápàá ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ Kristẹni, ẹlẹ́sìn Kristẹni, tẹ́ ẹ máa ń forúkọ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà. Báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ yín? Kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ṣẹ́yin rò pé ó yẹ ká tiẹ̀ máa fi orúkọ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà? Àbí báwo ló ṣe rí nínú denomination yín? Kí ló dé táwọn èèyàn sì ń fi orúkọ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà? Drop comment here. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.